To insert Excel spreadsheets into Word and PowerPoint, you have two options. You can either link them or embed them. When you link them, the information is stored in the source file and it's updated automatically as soon as you update the source file. Once you embed the spreadsheet, there's no more link to the source file. So to link a spreadsheet into a Word file, we open Word. We go into the Insert tab, to the text ribbon, and we choose Object. Now we go to Create from File, and we open our Excel file from our workbook. So now we have two options, Link to File and Display as Icon. The first one is to link, so that we have it updated and linked to the source file, and the second one, Display as Icon, is the embedding. So now we have part of our spreadsheet in our Word document file. We can do the same thing with PowerPoint, so we open PowerPoint. We go to the Insert tab, to the text ribbon, and click on Object. Now we go to Create from File and open the file again. Now we have the same options. We can either link or display as an icon, and we will see that. So we go to Link, click OK, and here we have our questionnaire from our Excel file in our PowerPoint presentation.